Sometimes our pets need a little help dealing with digestive issues. Today's question for our pet vet on call: is there a simple household treatment for my dog's diarrhea? I've heard eggs help.
Well, if it's just one time, a single incident, you don't really need any treatment. If it's a persistent, recurrent, or God forbid contains blood or mucus in it, then you need your veterinarian. I would not play with home remedies because it could be anything from as simple as parasites to a serious disease. Now, in a pinch, because these things never happen during office hours, you can give your dog Pepto-Bismol or Kaopectate, but call your veterinarian first and get the proper dose, and that'll help you get through the night until their office is open. And the thing to remember is always bring a sample with you.
Hey, we invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here, KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. Look at this. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this young male domestic short-haired cat named Angel. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Mr. Chicken. The shelter says he's a 1-year-old terrier pit bull mix. Why he's named Mr. Chicken, I do not know. But if you go there, you can find out. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? Mr. Chicken.
There you go.
There you go.